Hi everyone, this is Mariah with Key to Accounting, and I'm going to go over how to incorporate the changes that we made to an accounting file after you've sent us an accountant's review file, typically for year-end or month-end accounting procedures. So when you go to open up your company file after you've sent us the accountant's copy, essentially it's going to go through and say, every time you open it, it should be this little message telling you that you've made an accounts copy that you can't work on transactions that are dated before the date. So since we made this accountant's review copy for November 30th, 2015, it's telling us that the owner of this file can only work on the transactions dated after that. And if you don't want that to be seen again, you would go ahead and click there and click OK. The other thing that'll let you know that there's accountant's transactions pending is that it's up here. So once we're done and we've sent the changes back to you, we normally send them via the Intuit server. And the easiest way that you're going to see that is that you're going to get an email that kind of looks like this. It's going to tell you that there's accounts of changes available and that you need to go download them within the next 30 days. And it's going to give you the exact instructions about how to do it. And I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. And from here we go into File, we go to Accountants, and we go ahead and go to Clients Activity, and we say Import Accountant Changes from the web. And from there it's just going to say that there's one journal entry that we did. We're going to incorporate it. It's going to tell me it has to close everything. And then we have to do a full backup. And it's going to ask me where to do a backup at. So it's going to go through and process the backup of the data. You're going to say yes, that it's okay. And now it's going to go through telling you that it's incorporating the changes and that it's going to create a PDF file for you to look at. And it's going to put those PDF changes in the same location as your company file. And then the next step is we'll actually be notified when the changes have actually been incorporated, and then we'll be notified also if there are any failures upon the import. Sometimes not all the changes come through exactly, and so it's nice to know which ones didn't make it, so that way we can kind of walk you through how to get them entered. And then up here, I just did with the one journal entry, and it just says all the changes have been incorporated, and it was a successful incorporation. At that point in time, you go close. It's going to ask you if you want to set a closing date and a password. You can. That's not really an issue. However, if you do that, we need to know what the password is for your closing date. And from here, it'll go ahead and bring you back to your home page. If you look up at the top, it also has removed that saying that the account's changes are pending. And you have now successfully incorporated the account changes from the web via the Intuit server. Thank you.